Why are they putting the hen in a box of water? For 20 minutes? It's not going to sit in there for 20 minutes. Surely not. Why are you putting the lid on it? Oh no, they've cut a hole in it, that's fine. Is it supposed to like help it have an egg or something? Seems quite happy there, doesn't it? She's like having a hot bath, like a hot tub. Maybe it's supposed to give you, oh look, she's got a mini egg the next day. She had an egg stuck inside of her. So they put her in a bath, like a hot tub bath, to make the chicken lay the egg.